Okay. Hi everyone, this is Onyeka-Nwabueze presenting for Team 6. The topic is how digital technology promotes entrepreneurship in ecosystems, written by Shaka A. Zara, Wan Liu, and Steven C. Table of contents. We'll be looking at the abstract, introduction, literature review, roles new digital firms play in entrepreneurial ecosystem, EE. Integrated model of digital technology, DT, in entrepreneurial ecosystem, EE. Discussion and contribution, conclusion, digital technology in a Canadian international company. And finally, references. Abstracts. Businesses have adopted policies seeking to promote the development and adoption of innovative digital technologies and grow their entrepreneurial ecosystem. We're going to look at how digital technologies foster the birth, development, and growth of new ventures. We're considering how firms employ technology to shape the evolution of their ecosystem. We'll be using an example of a Canadian company, Edify Technologies Company, to show how it embraces digital technology. The keywords in this are digital technology, DT, digital entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship ecosystem, EE. These keywords will be defined at the literature review. Introduction. New ventures. Digital technology has become an essential tool in designing companies' business models and establishing their successes. Building an entrepreneurial ecosystem that fosters the creation and evolution of digital technology and entrepreneurial ecosystem has become a vital tool for both traditional and modern industries. It makes possible the creation of new businesses that keep the entrepreneurial ecosystem vibrant. With digital technology, entrepreneurial activities have induced profound changes in businesses. It promotes entrepreneurial activities such as digital products or services, digital platforms, digital tools or infrastructure, digital arts, digital entrepreneurial systems, and internet services innovation. The marriage of entrepreneurship and digital technology has produced a new group of entrepreneurs who use this technology and the internet to start their own businesses. The objective of this are how does digital technology influence entrepreneurial activities within an ecosystem? What roles do digital firms play in the development of their entrepreneurial ecosystem? How can we capture the intertwining co-evolutionary relationships associated with new ventures and ecosystem development and related outcomes? Literature review. Let us define our keywords. Digital entrepreneurship, digital technology, mobile services, IT, cloud computing, etc. Digital entrepreneurship are business owners that are technology based. Entrepreneurship ecosystem. An ecosystem is a system composed of organisms and their environment. Entrepreneurship ecosystem is now an organic community in which a group of integrated subjects, actors, and their environments cooperate to promote entrepreneurial activities. It focuses on the activities of new ventures. The relationship between digital technologies and entrepreneurial ecosystem, which can be seen in Google's use of machine learning, entrepreneurial activities are inseparable from their social, cultural, and economic environment. As digital technology ecosystem evolves, different types of entrepreneurial companies emerge, playing complementary strategic roles. The roles new digital firms play in entrepreneurial ecosystem because of the size and scale of associated value appropriation. Most of the entrepreneurial activities that occur in ecosystem appeal more to new ventures than their larger counterparts. Digital technology adoption in entrepreneurial ecosystem. About 24 papers were selected from leading journals showing rich insights in the approaches. Entrepreneurial activities occurring within an ecosystem could be exploratory or exploitative. Exploratory activities are future-oriented. They aim to stretch a firm's imagination by thinking about the firm of its industry, by thinking about the future of its industry, business definition and competition, by investing in those activities that prepare it for potential changes. Examples include joining research consortia, devotion to the development of new digital technology, or participating in field experiments that seek to determine if customers will accept alternative technologies. Exploitation centers on creating value for existing digital technologies. It is the source of cash flow that ensure organizational survival. An example is using existing digital technology to show how market segments ought to internalize the company's sales, internationalize the company's sales. Comparative analysis of 3 digital technology approaches. These approaches are 1. Focus versus dispersed activities. 2. Stable versus disrupting entrepreneurial ecosystem. 3. Entrepreneurial ecosystem versus digital technologies. Roles new firms play in entrepreneurial ecosystems. These roles are categorized into 3: digital disruptors, imitator followers, technology pioneer. The different roles have their primary functions, their core characteristics, their geographic feature, and different examples. Our application company in Canada, Edify Technology, is in the imitative followers. Integrated model of digital technology in the entrepreneurial ecosystem. For this model, a framework that offers a broad, stylized model of the development of digital technologies associated with creating digital entrepreneurship. This model starts with technology development, which is developing new or existing technologies. It goes on to the reuse and refinement, that is refurbishing existing processes. Designing new business processes. Also building disruptive new business models. And finally, defining data governance processes. Moving on to discussion and contribution. For this paper, we have the role digital technology play in promoting and sustaining entrepreneurial ecosystems. We discuss the classification of technology implementation. The three roles digital firms increasingly play in their entrepreneurial ecosystems. Also, the unique skills that allow digital firms to undertake roles. How digital technologies can trigger the distribution of competencies within an entrepreneurial ecosystem was also discussed. Finally, digital technologies have effects that often transcend the boundaries of entrepreneurial ecosystems. For our conclusion, the paper achieved the following. Digital technology can be strategically exploited in entrepreneurial ecosystem. It examined how companies explore and exploit digital technologies to achieve and sustain their competitive advantage. It offered a framework that can help companies digitally transform their businesses. This framework brings much needed dynamism to the study of entrepreneurial ecosystems. Digital technology promotes entrepreneurship in ecosystem by breaking down geographic barriers and providing access to global markets, providing digital tools to market research and opportunity identification, fostering innovation and idea generation, enabling new ventures through e-commerce and online marketplaces, facilitating virtual collaboration and remote framework for startups. Now we are moving over to the application of digital technology in entrepreneurial ecosystem in a Canadian company. The chosen company is Edify Technologies. This company was established in 2009. It has its headquarters in Quebec, Canada. It's a fast-growing, innovative, and industrial technology firm focused on advanced diagnostic technologies to monitor the world's infrastructure health. This company serves customers in more than 110 countries, 13 offices worldwide, with over 750 staff. Edify Technologies is proud to be socially engaged and strongly believe that their global actions and efforts significantly improve the well-being of their communities. Edify Technology and digital technology is an imitator follower. By 2016, its footprint grew exclusively thanks to new applications, product development, and geographical expansion. It serves companies globally in markets such as aerospace, civil infrastructure, energy, mining, power generation, and rail. This is done through sensors, hardware, robotics, and software, that is IT and online. Edify Technologies company has developed and are still developing so many digital technologies, but we'll be considering only three. 1. Edify Data Alliance Lifecycle. This is an exclusive ebook on robotics for non-destructive testing, NDT, called the RAMP Index. 2. They have the robotic crawler. This is for tunnel inspections and is being operated remotely. They also have the NanoMag. It's an These can access extremely tiny spaces. References. Here is our list of references used for this presentation. Thank you.